Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Okay, so today we will be looking into the next chapter. Okay, chapter 2. Okay, ecosystem. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, you can PM or WhatsApp me, or you can leave your comment below. Okay, after you watch this video, okay, please leave your comment below. Okay. So for this chapter, okay, we will learn about the ecosystem and what are the main components, okay, that make up ecosystems. Okay, the first thing that you need to know, okay, ecosystem is made up from two main components. Okay, the first one is biotic, okay, which means that everything that is alive, okay, such as kitten, mouse, or elephant, okay. And then you have abiotic, okay, abiotic, which means that you add an A in front of the biotic, is an organism, sorry, not an organism, is something that is not alive, okay, such as soil, water, air, or nutrients. Okay. However, in this chapter 2, okay, we will mainly focus on the biotic component. Okay, as you know, okay, I think you already know the hierarchy of the some of the organisms. Okay, as you can see, the producer has a lot of energy compared with the herbivore, and as the hierarchy going higher, okay, the energy is going to be decreased. Okay, that's why the predator, they need to eat a lot, okay, because the energy content in that particular organism is less, sebab itulah dia kena makan lebih lagi banyak. Okay, dan producer produce, okay, energy, okay, from the photosynthesis. Okay, so they are the first batch that contain a lot of energy. Okay, and then so in this chapter, okay, we will learn how the energy flows. Okay, as you know, okay, if you listen carefully, okay, only 10% of the energy, okay, energy can be measured in calorie or joule, okay, only about 10%, okay, if you have 100 joule of producer, so the next herbivore will only take about 10 joule. So only about 10% of the energy is transferred to the next organism. Okay. Okay, consumers get their energy by feeding. Okay, jadi maksudnya consumer ni dia akan dapat energy dia daripada dengan consume. Okay, dengan memakan organism yang lain. Okay, and then you have a decomposition. Okay, decomposition usually by bacteria. Okay, it's a breakdown of that organism. Okay, by decomposers such as bacteria, okay, through the process of biodegradation. degradation. Okey, jadi maksud binatang yang telah mati, okey, masih lagi ada nutrien, masih lagi ada isi-isi yang tak terurai. Jadi akan ada bakteria yang kita panggil contohnya macam dengan decomposer yang akan decompose, okey, yang akan menguraikan isi-isi ini kepada elemen-elemen yang kecil dan dapat balik diserap ke dalam tanah, okey, dan dapat balik diserap oleh pokok, dan pokok dia akan absorb balik nutrients daripada haiwan-haiwan yang telah mati. Okay, this is something that I think you already familiar with. Okay, before I think you already learned in primary school. Okay, food chain. Okay, food chain is a linear sequence. Okay, maksudnya cuma satu garisan. Okay, linear. Linear tu maksudnya satu garisan yang lurus. Okay, tak ada cabang. Okay, berbeza dengan food web. Okay, food web ni, web means that there are many branches. Okay, there are many cabang. Okay, so food web is more complicated. Okay, is more interesting to look at compare with food chain, because you can see that a lot of different organisms eating each other macam tu. Okay, this is the main example of food chain. Okay, leaf is eaten by, okay. So the arrow here means, okay, the black arrow here means the energy flow. Okay, arrow menunjukkan arah pergerakan tenaga tersebut. Okay, maksudnya tenaga yang ada dalam leaf, okay, akan dipindahkan kepada caterpillar. Bila caterpillar ni makan leaf tersebut, okay, only 10% of the energy is transferred to the caterpillar. Okay, and then bila snake eat the caterpillar, okay, similar thing will happen. Only 10% is transferred to the snake, and the thing will go die lah. Okay, so the arrow represent the energy flow in the food chain. Okay, food web is more complicated. Okay, you can see that there are more than one organism that can consume another organism. For example, you can see that this owl, okay, this owl is eaten by, but this owl, the food for owl is mouse and bird. So let's say if the owl does not want to eat the mouse, so the owl can choose the bird. So the owl has more diverse of eating. Okay,